Hey Tracy, here's number 9. So if you factor out a 3, you get x squared minus 13x plus 12. And then you can set up your star method. These aren't perfect squares, so you can't do a perfect square trinomial. So it's going to end up being something like this. And we just got to figure out what goes in there. So our a term is 1. That's these guys. Our c times a would be 12. And then our b term is negative 13. So you're asking, what could I multiply to get 12 that I can add to get negative 13? So if this is positive, it's either a positive times a positive or a negative times a negative. For this to be negative, it's got to be that it's a negative times a negative. So what negative times a negative, or sorry, negative, yeah, times a negative would get you 12. That would be negative 1 and negative 12. And when you add those, you get 13. So this gets you x minus 1, and this gets you x minus 12. And that would be your answer.